Sometimes love ends quietly, not with shouting, but with two hearts whispering goodbye. I gave you my heart, hoping you did keep it safe. Instead, you left it bleeding in your memories. The hardest part is not losing you, it is waking up every day pretending I did not. You became my favorite dream and my worst nightmare all in one heartbeat. I still look for you in crowds, even though I know you stopped looking for me long ago. Love taught me how to fly. Heartbreak taught me how to survive the fall. Every song reminds me of you, not because of the lyrics, but because my heart still hums your name. Sometimes two souls meet at the wrong time and love each other perfectly in all the wrong ways. I lost not just you, but the version of me who believed in forever. I still talk to you in my dreams. That is where you never leave me. You broke my heart, but I still find pieces of you in every beautiful thing I see. Love did not fail us, time did. I kept waiting for your return, not realizing you had already walked away long ago. Loving you was like holding a candle. I burned myself trying to keep your light alive. We are the reason I smiled. Now you are the reason I cry. My heart did not break all at once. It cracked slowly every time you forget to care. I wish I could unlove you, but my heart refused to forget the one it beats for. I thought love was forever until forever turned into yesterday. The saddest thing about heartbreak is realizing we are never truly mine. I still wear your memory like a scar that never fades. We promised to never give up, but somewhere along the way, one of us stopped trying. I keep rereading our old messages like a fool searching for lost love in dead words. Sometimes I miss you so much it feels like my soul is bleeding. Love does not end, it just changes shape into something that hurts a little less every day. You taught me love, life taught me how to live without it. I was not ready to stop loving you, but we are ready to stop being mine. Even after goodbye, my heart whispers your name like a prayer. I wish I could hate you, but my heart is too busy missing you. Every time I help, your memory opens the wound again. We had the kind of love that felt eternal until eternity ran out. You left, but the echoes of your love still live inside my chest. I did not lose you in one day. I lost you slowly, moment by moment. My heart still loves the person who broke it. That is the cruel beauty of love. Sometimes I wonder if you ever think about me or if I am just another chapter you skip. I wish I could return your love to the store where I bought my dreams. My soul still remembers the warmth of your touch even when my hands are cold. I learned that heartbreak does not kill you, it teaches you how to live half alive. Our love was a beautiful tragedy written in fire, erased by time. You walked away like it was easy. I stayed behind to pick up the pieces. I keep your memory like an old photograph, fading but never forgotten. Sometimes I smile when I think of you, then I remember you are gone. I gave you all my tomorrows, but you could not even stay for today. The pain of love lost never really lives. It just learns to whisper instead of scream. You were my favorite chapter, but the book closed too soon. I still see you in sunsets, still hear you in every love song. You did not just break my heart, you changed the way I love forever. Every goodbye with you felt like another death I had to survive. I miss the person I was when you loved me. Love made me believe in magic. Heartbreak made me believe in reality. My tears are not for losing you. They are for losing who I became with you. You've left me with memories too heavy for one heart to carry. Sometimes love ends, but the feelings refuse to die. I still whisper your name into the silence, hoping it echoes back. You became my past, but my heart still treats you like my forever. Loving you was like chasing the stars, beautiful, impossible, and gone too soon. I tried to hate you, but all I found was love buried under pain. The cruelest goodbye is the one you never get to say. I love you enough to let you go, even though it tore me apart. Our love story ended, but the pages are still soaked in my tears. My heart may be broken, but it still beats your name. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel.